Good day everyone. For this video, we will present Activity 3.2, Social Media Security Issues and Challenges, focusing on TikTok. I am Carla Kiambao, together with Mark Neil Makatuno, Tyrone John Sopnu, Andre Vergara, and John Lawrence Vitug. TikTok is widely used for entertainment, communication, and content creation. However, despite its popularity, it also has several privacy risks, harmful content issues, and security challenges that users need to understand. In this presentation, we will explain these issues and provide possible solutions to make the platform safer.
Now let's discuss privacy issues and concerns. TikTok collects a large amount of user data, including location, device information, browsing behavior, and even typing patterns. Many users are not fully aware of how much data is being collected in the background. First is data harvesting. The app tracks your activity, such as the videos you watch, how long you watch them, and what you like or share. This helps the app understand your behavior. Second is third-party sharing. The collected data may be shared with its parent company, ByteDance, and also with advertisers. This is mainly used for targeted ads, but it raises concerns about data privacy. Third is biometric data collection, which includes face prints and voice prints. These are very sensitive because they are unique to each person and cannot be easily changed if leaked. Lastly, user tracking allows TikTok to monitor your actions continuously. While this improves personalization, it also increases the risk of misuse of personal data.
Next, we will talk about inappropriate and harmful content. One major issue is dangerous challenges, such as the Blackout Challenge and Benadryl Challenge. These trends can encourage users, especially young people, to perform risky actions that may lead to serious harm. Another problem is misinformation. False or misleading information can spread quickly on TikTok, especially during important events. Deepfake videos can also make it harder to know what is real or fake. There are also algorithm rabbit holes. The For You page shows content based on your interests, but it can repeatedly expose users to harmful or negative content without them realizing it. Lastly, viral harm happens when harmful content becomes popular. Because many people see and copy it, it can influence behavior and spread unsafe practices.
Now let's move on to security challenges. One of the biggest issue is account takeovers. Hackers use phishing scams such as fake messages or links to trick users into giving their login information. Once they gain access, they can control the account. Another issue is app vulnerabilities. Sometimes there are weaknesses or bugs in the system that hackers can exploit to send malicious links or steal information. There are also state-level security concerns, where some governments worry that the app could be used for surveillance or unauthorized data collection. Lastly, geopolitic- geopolitical risk involves concern about where the data is stored and who can access it. This raises questions about data protection, privacy laws, and national security.
To reduce this risk, here are some solutions and remedies. For users, it is important to enable two-factor authentication to add extra security, set accounts to private mode to control who can see your content, and limit ad personalization to reduce data tracking. For parents, they can use family pairing or parental controls to monitor their children's activity. Set screen time limits to avoid overuse and apply content filters to block inappropriate content. For the platform, TikTok should improve data protection by storing data more securely, strengthen AI-powered content moderation to quickly detect and remove harmful content, and apply a multi-layered security system to protect users.
In conclusion, TikTok can be a fun and useful platform, but users must stay aware of the risks. At the same time, the platform should continue improving its security to ensure a safer environment for everyone.